This person is emotional here. If you don't even change your Netflix password, crying in front of you, forgive them, and there is a shocking moment. Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel Real Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of January, Saturday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you too can take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering what is in your person's mind, every area of your love life and your person's life, I will use this pattern, this spread. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking towards you, what their feelings towards you, and what their intentions towards you. Okay, Virgo, let's get started. What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? And we are having here Ace of Cups, Seven of Swords, Strength, Page of Cups. So what are the Virgo's feelings toward this person? What are the Virgo's feelings toward this person? And we are having here Magician, Three of Wands, Queen of Wands, Eight of Cups. So what are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here the Hanged Man and Queen of Pentacles. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ace of Cups, Page of Cups, Eight of Cups. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands, Three of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles. Pisces with this Hanged Man, Leo with this Strength, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Swords. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling here, and your person is emotional, overflowing love in this person's, a lot of emotions in this person. This person is emotional here, and this person also sneaky. Something is wrong in this person is sneaky. This person lied to you. This person tried to manipulate you, and this person is like, they think like that it can fix. It's a shortcut, and shortcut is manipulate you, lie to you. Lying is a shortcut for this person, but this person is like emotional towards you, Virgo. This person's like want to offer you their emotions and their feelings and talk about their feelings. Little bit immaturity in this person. This person is like act like immature sometime, and this person want to offer you their feelings, their emotions, and also the shortcut as well, the lying and manipulation. And this person feel like that, no, you are not welcomed toward their emotions and feelings, because you have a complete control. They feel like that you got a complete control. You are not letting your feelings and emotion to mislead them. This is what the feelings get a feel from you, like you are in a complete strength. You are not going to take any like emotional blackmailing and emotions of this person. This person is offering you their emotions, their feelings, and this person is so emotional here, about to cry. This person is like that emotional right now. This person is about to cry for you, and they want to offer you their emotions and their feelings, but there is some kind of deception there. There is some kind of lying and manipulation there, and you are like a musician here. You are controlling, you are manifesting good things, and you are controlling your feelings, your emotions, and everything. And you want to get a fresh air. You are analyzing this person. You want to travel away. There is a travel event coming, and you are analyzing this person. You are focusing what is actually happening, and you are disappointed here. After analyze everything, you are disappointed because of this person, and that's why this person is like about to cry. They want to give you their emotions and their love, and want to, like, they think manipulating you, that's how they can stop you. But you are disappointed here. And with this Queen of Wands, this is the energy, like you are entering in a Queen of Wands energy. Like you are so like attractive here. You are a beauty with brain, and you are like, don't afraid of be a center of attention here. You are like sitting there and be like attractive, and even you are disappointed on this person, but attraction is in you, and you are analyzing things, and with this Magician card you are trying to control this situation, what is happening between both of you. And with this Hanged Man, this person is totally stuck on you. This person is stuck, and this person is totally stuck on you. No doubt this person is stuck on you, and this person like really want to offer you their emotions and their feelings. And with this Queen of Pentacles, you are paying attention on yourself. With this Queens, you are so charming, you are so attractive, and also you are like a Queen of Pentacle, paying attention on yourself. You are listening to this person but not reacting. You are paying attention. Even you are real here. You are not listening to this person. You are just paying attention on yourself. You are nourishing yourself. Instead of wasting your energy on this person, you are paying attention on yourself, and you are nourishing and self-love in you. And you are like, but you are so real. You are not fake here. So let's see uh, what else we have for you, Virgo. What else we have for Virgo? What else we have for Virgo? What else we have for Virgo? And we are having here Five of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, as an outcome, Six of Pentacles. And with this Five of Pentacles, this person feel like that you are leaving them. This person feel abandoned because of you. This person feel like that you are leaving them, and this person is in a miserable phase right now. There is a misery in them. They feel left alone, abandonment. They feel like that. And with the Seven of Cups, you are confused here. You don't know what should you do. Virgos are like that. When they find something not suitable to them, and they have a clear thing about this person, but you are confused here. You are like, what should you do? What should you choose? And you are, you can cut this person, but you're not cutting this person off. When you are so, this is how Virgos are like always generous towards their loved one. Never take care of money, just be generous with them. Never, if you don't even change your Netflix password, if your loved one is using that and you are not done with them and they're lying to you, but you never do that. You let them use your resources and they are using yours still. This is how Virgos are. They never let their, even not let their ex, even not change the password. Even their ex is using their things and their resources. The Virgos are like that. They are always generous. They are always sporting. And you are sportive here. This is the outcome. Confused in this person's matter. What should you do? How to deal with this person? Because this person is so emotional, crying in front of you, and offering you their emotions and manipulating you, and quoting the things. And you are confused here, a little bit confused, and definitely you are going confused here. Feelings and emotions are powerful sometimes, and you can't resist that feelings and emotions. And this person feel like you are leaving them, and you are just so generous toward this person, always generous toward this person. Okay, let's see, what should you do, what should you avoid, what else for you, how to heal, how to deal. And we are having here the Sun, Page of Wands, the Tower. So this person is happy with you, no doubt. You are this person's happiness with the Sun card. And with this Page of Wand, there is a passion inside you. There is a fresh passion in you. There is a passion inside you. This person's happy because there is a happiness, because you are this person's happiness, and there is some kind of passion switched inside you, a fresh, all over passion inside you. This is what they want from you, and this is what they accept from you. Like, forgive them and be passionate the way you used to be. And with this Page of Wands, there is like a passion switched inside you, fresh, all new passion inside you. And a Tower, the Tower moment. In upcoming days, there is some kind of shock you're going to give each other. There is a shocking moment, Tower moment waiting for you. You need to be ready for this Tower moment. Maybe this happen, maybe you find something, maybe not that shock, but you find something. There is a truth and clarity going to find. And with the Sun card, you are this person's happiness, and this person uh, want you to be happy with them, and there is a passion inside you. Passion is still there, and just connect to this passion and feel this happiness. And there is something you will find out in upcoming days. So let's see what your angel want to add in this situation. What your angel want to add in this situation. And we are having here, you are confused and indecisive because you do not have enough information. Do research or seek expert advice before making a decision. And see, you are like seven of cups in your chart, like in this side. Yes, you are confused here, and you need to get information, and there is a passion switched inside you. Somehow this person trigger your passion and become so happy when there is a movement. Maybe you find something else, a tower movement, need to ready for this. And let's see what advice messages. Believe in destiny, have faith, scream out your pain, meditate. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is, this person is so emotional, this person is maybe manipulating you, maybe lie to you, and you are having a complete strength on yourself. And this person, after maybe this person switched your passionate side, and you are disappointed on this person, you were disappointed on this person, and somehow this person switched your passionate side. This person becomes so happy, and then maybe you find out something else upcoming days. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.